If you're looking for 27-inch 2K resolution gaming monitor, meet the Curi G2721P. Inside the box, we have user's manual, quick installation guide, DisplayPort cable, power adapter, stand, and of course, base. Mabilis lang i-set up and stable yung stand even na made of plastic. Sa ports, ito yung available. And for adjustments, tilt lang yung pwede but may option ka naman na i-mount if gusto mo. Smooth siya for gaming, detailed yung image, good text clarity, and native 200Hz refresh rate with 1ms response time and IPS panel. Also, FreeSync Premium supported. Wala kang may experience na screen tearing, stuttering, and input lag. Ideal for fast-paced games and fast-moving scenes. Okay din for RPG games dahil high image quality. Plus, may 3 available color space, so hindi lang siya for gaming, good din for productivity, and decent for watching movies. In addition, HDR supported kaya malinaw yung bright area and hindi wash out yung blacks. Kita mo talaga yung details, especially sa dark scenes. Meron din tong game mode option and 10 scenario modes. Under game mode, nandito yung adaptive sync, dark field bright effect, response time, and DIC. So feature to ni Curi na nakakatulong to reduce motion blur and to improve the clarity of fast-moving images. But take note, dapat naka-turn up yung adaptive sync para matoggle on mo siya. Sa scenario mode, nandito yung 3 color space which are DCI-P3, sRGB, and Adobe RGB. Inobserve ko din while gaming and editing video. Chinek ko kung mainit ba tong monitor. And even na pan lang yung gamit ko, normal temperature lang siya. Ang nakikita ko lang na problem dito, yung IPS glow, which is common problem sa IPS panel.